Imagine cruising into the future, not in a massive motorhome or a bulky RV, but on a sleek, three-wheeled camper that turns more heads than a supercar. Welcome to the world of the 2027 Tricycle Camper RV, where adventure meets innovation on three wheels. This isn't just transportation, this is your new home, your escape pod, and your ultimate freedom machine, all in one compact, futuristic form. Picture this, you're on a scenic road, wind kissing your face, and behind you, your fully equipped mobile sanctuary. That's right, this tricycle isn't just about riding, it's about living. Foldable solar panels on the roof silently soak in the sun, powering everything inside. From a climate-controlled interior to a mini kitchen with smart appliances, this camper RV is a marvel of minimalistic design blended with cutting-edge tech. Inside, it's like stepping into the future. The interior features modular furniture that adapts to your needs. A fold-out bed that transforms into a couch, an expandable table for meals or work, and hidden compartments that store everything you need without clutter. Soft LED ambient lighting adjusts with your mood, and the built-in smart assistant responds to your voice, whether you're asking for weather updates or playing your favorite road trip playlist. Worried about space? Don't be. Designers of the 2027 Tricycle Camper RV have cracked the code on compact luxury. You've got a micro bathroom with a smart shower system that uses recycled water efficiently, and a tiny fridge that keeps things cool using solar power and AI cooling sensors. Want to cook outdoors? A slide-out induction stove and collapsible sink make it happen right under the stars. But here's the magic, it's not just the features that blow your mind, it's how all of this fits onto a lightweight, aerodynamic trike. With a powerful electric motor and extended battery range, this beast can go up to 250 miles on a single charge. And the ride? Smooth, stable, and whisper quiet. Thanks to adaptive suspension and traction control, whether you're cruising a coastal highway or a mountain trail, this RV handles it like a dream. You're not just watching another vehicle. You're witnessing a lifestyle revolution. No more rent. No more hotel bookings. No more rigid schedules. This is about owning your time, your space, and your destination. And with mobile connectivity, you can stream, Zoom, or even work remotely, all from your cozy, climate-controlled capsule. And safety? Top tier. Built-in cameras, blind spot detection, GPS tracking, and collision sensors give you the peace of mind to explore boldly. Even better, its slim design means you can park where traditional RVs can't. Urban alleys, scenic lookouts, forest trails, your options are limitless. You know what makes this even more special? It's affordable. Compared to traditional campers or even high-end electric vehicles, the 2027 Tricycle Camper RV is designed to be within reach for solo travelers, young couples, or anyone looking to escape the 9-to-5 and explore the world without breaking the bank. This isn't just a camper. It's a statement. A bold declaration that your life isn't meant to be boxed in. It's meant to be mobile, wild, and free.